Okay, so dressing room. Opens your door. We've got the 2 saddle racks. Garment rack, very useful for hanging things. Missed that in my new trailer. I don't know where I'm going to hang the kids' clothes. You can plug it in. I've never tried it. Don't know if it works. Carpets. Wall. More bridle racks. Much more elegant than today's trailers. And then we walk through to the horsey room. And we got the top. Again, these don't open, but the windows work. I don't know if they'll work now because they're frozen shut, but they do work. You open them up, they have screens. Oh, there's the inside damage from the tree branch. Don't worry, it doesn't leak. It was fully refiberglassed on the outside to make the outside look pretty. Oh, these are neat. These are Fortiflex bucket holders in case you want to feed or water on your trip. Again, need to paint the wall. Steel bars. That was bit by a Mustang. Long story. Duct tape's coming off. Jack Russell again. And the 2 side ramps. I thought I swept that, but I guess not. And there's the other one. Floor is good. You can see little bits of it in here. Everything is frozen. Frozen, frozen, frozen. The back does get a little wet. So this is all frozen, so I can't get it out at the moment. Because it has a little bit of a leak right there. So I suggest you put a tarp on it or park it under something. And that's the inside of the trailer.